Add 1/2 plus 1/3. When adding fractions, you need to make sure that they have the same denominator. These guys don't. So we need to find a least common denominator and turn these fractions into different fractions so I can add them. Looking at these numbers, 2 and 3, my least common denominator is going to be 6. So how can I turn this denominator of 2 into 6? Multiply by 3. Whatever I do to the denominator, I have to do to the numerator, so I'm going to multiply both of those by 3. How do I turn 3 into a denominator of 2? Well, multiply by 2. And whatever I do over here, I do over here as well. So the left fraction, 1/2, 3 times 1 is 3, and 3 times 2 is 6. The other fraction, 1/3, 1 times 2 is 2, and 3 times 2 is 6. Now that the denominators are the same, I can add the fractions. When adding fractions, you add the numerators, 3 plus 2 is 5, and keep the denominator. So since you can't simplify this and this number is not greater than 1, we are finished and my answer is 5/6.